You think programming is all about boring black screens and endless lines of code? Well, what if I told you there are programming languages that look like memes, poetry, invisible ink, or even a painting? Today, I'm going to show you some of the strangest and funniest programming languages ever created. They're weird, they're brilliant, and yes, they actually work. You won't believe number 5. Let's go. First up, Brainf. This language was designed to be as minimal and as hard to read as possible. It only has 8 characters: plus, minus, less than, greater than, period or full stop, comma, opening bracket, and ending bracket. That's it. So, how does it actually work? Imagine your computer's memory as a long strip of boxes, each holding a number. You have a pointer that moves left and right along these boxes. Plus and minus increase or decrease the number in the current box. Greater than and less than move the pointer. Opening bracket and ending bracket create loops that run as long as the current box isn't 0. Period or full stop prints out the number in the box as a character. Lastly, the comma is for getting user input. Here's an example program that prints "Hello World." It's like writing an entire novel by moving pebbles around on a chessboard. Slow, but fascinating. On second, the Shakespeare programming language. This one disguises itself as a Shakespearean play. Variables are named after characters, and the logic is written as dialogue. So how does it work? Each character is actually a variable that holds a number. Adjectives like noble or handsome add or subtract from that number. Dialogue between characters runs the instructions, and scenes and acts control the program flow. Here's an example program that prints "Hello World." It's programming dressed as poetry. At number 3, Whitespace. And the name says it all. Here, the only meaningful characters are spaces, tabs, and line breaks. On a normal text editor, the program just looks blank. How does it work? It's based on a stack, like a pile of plates. Spaces, tabs, and enters push numbers to the stack, pop them off, or perform arithmetic. Each invisible sequence is actually a command. Here's an example program that prints "Hello World." It's like solving a puzzle blindfolded. Clever, isn't it? But it's hard to debug. At number 4, Piet. This language turns your code into a painting. Named after the Dutch artist Piet Mondrian, your program is literally a piece of colorful abstract art. How does it work? Each colored block in the image represents a command. The interpreter moves through the image, and the change in color between blocks tells it what to do. Add, subtract, push, pop, and so on. It's like navigating a maze where each color transition is a step in your program. Here's an example program that prints "Hello World." You're literally programming by painting. At number 5, LOLcode. This language speaks the language of the internet's cat memes, written in LOL speak. It starts with keyword hi and ends with KTHXBYE. How does it work? Underneath the silliness, it's just like any other interpreted language. Visible is print. Can has is import. It has variables, loops, and conditionals, just hidden in meme speak. Here's an example program that prints "Hello World." It's hilarious, but also shows that syntax is just for humans. Computers only care about the logic. These weird languages prove something really powerful. Programming isn't about what the code looks like. It's about the logic and instructions you're giving to the computer. Whether you're moving along memory boxes, writing a play, painting colors, or speaking like a cat, it all comes down to creativity and rules. And remember, code doesn't always have to make sense to be amazing. So which of these was your favorite? Would you dare to write code in Brainf or paint your next program in Piet? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more weird, wonderful, and geeky stories from the world of computers. Thanks for watching.